Many people we are discovering have gotten public jobs, and I know it happens also in the private sector, using fake certificates. So we have been investigating many of these, and as you may have heard, several of them have been taken to court, and we have recovered the monies that they were paid during the time that they served under those certificates. So some people are paid up to 100 million because they used a fake certificate to get a very high level job, and they have been there for a few years. So we recover all that money, and of course they are also laid aside. This thing of corruption is so widespread. We are not able to cover every sector of our society where corruption happens because of limitation in terms of our capacity, in terms of the number of people that we have that are supposed to help us in this area, the budget that we are allocated, because investigating corruption, especially big corruption, is a very expensive exercise. Many of the big corruptions have international connections. So you find that money that is stolen here perhaps is stored in another country. And for you to be able to do that kind of investigation, sometimes you require our officers to travel to those nations, and that is very expensive. So you find that with the budget that we are given, we are not able to do the work that we are supposed to do to the best of our ability.